Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the digital skill and graphic design training. I remain your instructor, and my name is Chris David. My objective this evening is to show you how to design your ebook cover using the Pixel Lab. So the first thing to consider in designing your ebook is the image size of the ebook. Now the image size for an ebook cover is 1000 pixels for the width and 1600 pixels for the height. You can write it somewhere. So let's go straight to the practical aspect of it now. So to impute the image size, click on these three dots. This is the three dots. The three dots, yes, where you click on. So once you click on that three dots, as I click now, you see image size. Here is the image size. Some people are not seeing it. That is the image size. So once you click on the image size, it will give you an interface. Here you can impute your image. So let's click on it and see. Let's click on the image size and see. So that is it. This is the width, this is the height. This is the width, this is the height. So on the width side, you impute 1000 pixels, while on the height, you impute 1600. So let's impute it and see. So we said 1000 here, and here becomes 1600. Click OK once you are through. So it has given us the image size. The next thing I want to do is to put a color to it. So I go to color. Here is color. Let me indicate it so you can see it. Here is color. Here is the color. So tap on that color. So once you tap on the color, as I tap now, tap on the color, then you can choose any color you want to use, preferably according to the demand of your client or the one that suits your taste. So I want to use this color, and then I tick OK or tick good. It means I've selected the color. The next thing now is to impute a text. Two things are to be considered where you are designing your ebook: the title of the ebook and then the author. So the first thing you are going to put here is the title of this ebook. So I need to pick my pen tool. Here is your pen tool. Here is your pen tool. So pick your pen tool now and then begin to type. So let's click on it and see. Title is graphic. The title is graphic. Design. Made simple. That is the title of this my book, and I click OK. So you can see it. The next thing I want to do is to reduce the size of the text. So I click on this A button. Here is the A button. Click on that A button. So we click on the A button, and then this is the size or the text size. To show you the text size. Can you see it now? Yes, sir. So click on that text size if you want to increase or reduce the size of the text. So I want to reduce it now. So I drag it to the plus sign to reduce. You can see it now. This is what I want. So I tick good. Whatever you are done with, you tick good. The next thing I want to do is to change the font. Here is the place for font. Here is the place for font. So click on that place. The font allows you to change the style of your text. So you can see the style of the text is changing already. This is what I mean. The size of the text will begin to change once you click any of these fonts. Look at it again. Different font, different font. So choose the font you want. So I want to use this Chunk 5 as my font. Then I tick good. So graphic design made simple. Is that understood? Yes, sir. So the next one I want to do is to input another text. So let me just click copy and then edit it. I want to put another text. Graphic design made simple. The next text I want to put is design like a pro. Design like a professional. Using your smartphone. Then click OK. Design. So this will just be like a subtopic. So what I'll need to do is to just reduce the size of the text. Reduce the size of the text and bring it down here. This is the main title of the book. This is just a subtitle. So the next thing to do is now to put the name of the author. The name of the author in this case is Chris David. So in your own assignment, use your name as the author of the book cover you are designing. Is that understood? Yes, sir. So this is my name, Chris David. Is that understood? Yes, sir. So what I need to do now is to just put a stroke to it. Enable the stroke. Just enable the stroke and enable the stroke. So whatever you want to do to any text, just click on that text and it will highlight it with a rectangle like this, and then you can be able to edit, adjust, and make your text much more good. So graphic design made simple. Design like a pro using your smartphone. The author is Chris David. The next thing I want to do is to put a texture to it. So let me show you the texture I'm seeing. Here is the texture. Down. You can see it now. That is texture. So click on that texture. Once you click on the texture, to take you to your gallery where you have your textures. So I want to use a brown texture to this background. I want to use a brown texture to this background. So this is a texture I want to use. Tick good. See, it changes the texture of the text. So that is that. In your own class, you can use this texture, or you can use any texture you want to use. Or you might not want to use any texture, but just design your ebook like this. Do you understand? Yes, sir. So once we are through with this, the next thing is to save our work as a project and also as what? As an image. So where is the save button? Let me indicate it. Some people are not seeing it. Here is the save button. Can you see it now? Yes, sir. So that is the save button. Click on the save button. Once you click on that save button, to give you option, save as project or save as image. So first of all, I want to save it as a project. So what is the name of this project? The name of this project is Graphic Design ebook cover. Tick OK. It is saved now. Next one, save as image. It will save automatically to my gallery. Save to gallery, and the image has been saved. Now we have designed our ebook, but it is not looking like a book. You might ask, the next thing to do is to upload this design into a website. That website will now bring out this text or this design in the form of a book cover. So come over with me to the next video tutorial where we'll be uploading this design into the website, and we'll have our book cover in the form of a book. Do you understand? Yes, sir. So follow me quickly. Follow me. Let's go.